and welcome to our channel IFCG, where we make learning fun and easy. Here are 10 latest slangs used by Gen Z, along with their meanings and example sentences. Let's get started. First, simp, meaning someone who is overly submissive or attentive to someone they like. He's such a simp for her, always doing whatever she asks. Number 2, WIP Check, meaning assessing someone's emotional state or the atmosphere. I'm just here to do a quick WIP check and see how everyone's feeling. Number 3, flex, meaning to show off or boast about something. He loves to flex his new sneakers on Instagram. Number 4, slay, meaning to do something exceptionally well or look stunning. She absolutely slayed that dance performance. Number 5, yeet, meaning to throw or discard something forcefully. I accidentally yeeted my phone across the room when I tripped. Number 6, sus, meaning suspicious or shady. Her excuse for being late sounded really sus. Number 7, ghosted, meaning ignored or abandoned without explanation, especially in dating. I thought we had a good connection, but then he ghosted me. Number 8, lit, meaning excellent or exciting. The party last night was so lit. Number 9, glow up, meaning a positive transformation in appearance or personality over time. She's had such a glow up since high school. Number 10, cap, meaning lying or not telling the truth. I don't believe him. He's always capping about his accomplishments. Don't forget to subscribe us. And until next time, happy learning. Bye-bye.